In a remarkable feat of innovation, JMGO, a leading manufacturer of projectors, has unveiled its latest marvel, the JMGO N1 Air projector, in China. The N1 Air represents a significant advancement in projection technology, boasting a 3-color laser pan-tilt projector equipped with a cutting-edge MALC 3-color laser light engine, the same technology employed in their acclaimed MT9 series. This new projector promises to revolutionize the home entertainment experience with its remarkable features and advancements. The key highlight of the JMGO N1 Air lies in its state-of-the-art MALC 3-color laser light engine. Unlike traditional projectors that rely on lamps and filters, the MALC light engine provides enhanced color reproduction, deeper contrasts, and improved brightness levels, offering a remarkable 110% BT700C lumen brightness. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of the MALC light engine is its claim to be zero harmful blue light. Blue light, particularly from screens and projectors, has been a growing concern due to its potential effects on eye health and sleep patterns. With JMGO's dedication to user well-being, the N1 Air projector eliminates harmful blue light emission, ensuring viewers can enjoy their favorite content without compromising on their eye health. One of the standout features of the JMGO N1 Air is its immersive audio capabilities. The projector is equipped with a sizable 370cc large sound chamber and a double-sided sound appearance, culminating in an unparalleled Dynaudio HiFi sound quality. The sound chamber enhances the audio depth, producing rich and crisp sound, while the double-sided speakers ensure an enveloping surround sound experience, bringing movies, games, and music to life. In terms of bass performance, the N1 Air does not disappoint. It offers an impressive 55 Hertz bass, adding depth and realism to audio content, making action scenes and music tracks truly captivating. Whether you are watching an action-packed blockbuster or listening to your favorite music, the N1 Air's audio quality will undoubtedly elevate your entertainment experience. The engine powering the JMGO N1 Air projector is a result of a collaborative effort between JMGO and Frog, combining their expertise to create a powerful game engine with 4 major spaces. This engine optimizes the projector's performance, ensuring smooth playback and responsiveness when running multimedia content, making it ideal for gaming enthusiasts. To cater to various viewing preferences, the JMGO N1 Air offers 3 distinct viewing modes. These modes allow users to adjust the projection settings to suit different environments and content types, ensuring optimal visuals at all times. The projector's connectivity options are equally impressive, featuring an HDMI 2.1 interface, which enables seamless connectivity with the latest multimedia devices. Users can connect their gaming consoles, streaming devices, or laptops to the N1 Air and enjoy content at the highest possible resolutions and refresh rates. To further enhance user convenience, the JMGO N1 Air comes with built-in 3 and 32 GB storage, allowing users to store and access their favorite multimedia content directly from the projector. Moreover, the low noise operation below 26 decibels ensures a peaceful and distraction-free viewing experience, even during quiet movie scenes. In addition to its exceptional audio and visual capabilities, the JMGO N1 Air incorporates various features to improve overall picture quality. Wind noise reduction technology, global MEMC, and speckle dissipation all contribute to producing sharper, clear, and artifact-free images on the screen. The JMGO N1 Air boasts an elegant appearance available in almond white and ice salt blue colors, making it a stylish addition to any home theater setup. The projector's tilt and pan functionality allow users to adjust the projection angle to their liking, ensuring an optimal viewing experience in any room. The highly anticipated JMGO N1 Air 3-color laser pan tilt projector has been officially launched, and it comes with an exciting introductory offer that has already caught the attention of tech enthusiasts and home entertainment aficionados alike. Priced at just 3,099 yuan or $434, the N1 Air projector offers a compelling combination of advanced features and exceptional performance, making it an attractive proposition for those seeking a high-quality projection experience. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it was useful for you. Have a nice day and God bless you.